Namaste. In last class, you have studied word problems based on addition and subtraction. Today, we are going to discuss about estimation. What is meant by estimation? Estimation means rough calculation of a value. Okay. See, in daily life, we often need to estimate numbers. Consider a situation. Raju attended a marriage function. After reaching home, his mother asked how many people attended the marriage function. Raju said around 600 people attended the marriage function. After some time, again his mother asked him accurately how many people attended the marriage function. He thought for a while and said accurately 585 people, because I have counted when I was there. Here, before counting, he got 600 people. Then after counting, he got 585 people. Here, 600 is the approximate value or estimated value, and 585 is the accurate value. Estimation helps us to guess a quantity to a close value. To find the estimated value, first we find a round off to the given number. See the question. Find the estimated and the actual sum or difference by rounding off the numbers to the nearest 10. In this question, first we have to find the estimated sum and actual sum. First we have to find estimated sum, after that find the actual sum. Okay. Then 93. 93 lies between 90 and 100, isn't it? 90 and 100. This one is 95. This one is 91, 92, 93, 94, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 93. This one is 91, 92, 93. 93 is here. Then here 90 is lower limit and 100 is upper limit. So this 93 is nearest to this lower limit or upper limit. Nearest to this lower limit. Nearest to this 90, isn't it? So this 93 becomes 90 plus then 22. 22 lies between which two numbers? 20 and 30. Middle number is 25. Then 22. 22 lies between this 20 and 30. 22, 21, 22. 22 is here. Here 20 is the lower limit and 30 is the upper limit. Then here 22 is nearest to this 20 or this 30. Nearest to 20, isn't it? Nearest to this lower limit 20. So this 22 becomes 20. Is equal to 90 plus 20, answer is 110. Then 93 plus 22 approximates this 110. Approximate means almost equal. Okay. Then 93. Then we find the actual sum. This is the estimated sum. Then we find the actual sum. 93 plus 22 is equal to 90 plus 20, 110. Do you remember that mental addition? That one you apply here. 90 plus 20, 110. Thus 3 plus 2, 5. 115. 115. Actual sum is 115. So this 115 is close to 110, isn't it? 115 is close to 110. So 110 is reasonable is a reasonable estimate. Reasonable means convenient. Okay. 110 is a reasonable estimate. Okay. Next, the second question is nearest to 100. Which are the numbers? Question number A, 4928 plus 5431. Nearest to 100, that means we take up to hundreds place. That is ones, tens, hundreds, that is 928. Here also 431. Here 928. 928 lies between 900 and 1000. 928 lies between 900 and 1000. The middle number is 950. Here we want to find 928. 928 between 900 and 1000, isn't it? Then 928. This one is 910, 920, 930. This one is 920 and this one is 930. We need 28. 28 just before the number of 30. Just before of 30. So 928 is here. 928 is here. 928 is here. 100 is in lower 100. 1000 is in upper 100. So this 928 nearest to this 900 or 928 is nearest to this 1000. 928 is nearest to this 900, that is lower 100. This 928 becomes 900, that is 4900 plus 431. 431 lies between 400 and 500, isn't it? 400 and 500. So 400 and 500. This is 450. This 431. This one is 410, 420, 430. 430 is here. 31 is next point. 31 is here. 431 is here. So this 431 is nearest to lower 100 or upper 100. Nearest to lower 100, isn't it? Nearest to this 400. So this 431 becomes 400. 5431 becomes 5400. Then is equal to 4900. 4900 plus 5400 is equal to 0, 0, 3, 1 balance 10. 10,300. 10,300. Then next one 4928. This is the estimated value. Then 4928 plus 5431 approximate. That means almost correct. 5431 is equal to 10,300. Then 4928 plus 5431 is equal to 4928 plus 5431 is equal to 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 10, 9 plus 4, 13. 3, 1 balance. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10,359. 10,359. So this 10,359 nearest to this 10,300, isn't it? Nearest to 10,300. So 10,359 is close to 10,300. Done. So 10,300 is the reasonable estimate. Okay. Question number B. 3,789 minus 950. See, here also we take up to nearest to 100. That means we take only up to hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. That is 789. There are only 3 digits, so we take whole number 950. First 789. 789 is lies between which are the numbers? Which are the two numbers? 700 and 800. So this one is 750, 710, 720, 730, 740. Then 760, 770, 780, 790, 800. Then 789. 50 is here, 60, 70, 80. 780 is here, 790 is here. 89 is just before this 90. 89 is just before the 90, isn't it? So 789 is here, 789. This 789 is nearest to here. Lower 100 is 700, upper 100 is 800. Then this 789 is nearest to upper 100. Nearest to that 800, isn't it? So this 789 becomes 800. So this 789 becomes 800. That means 3,789 becomes 3,800 minus 950. 950 lies between which two numbers? 900 and 1000. Here 950. Here lower 100 is 900, upper 100 is 1000. So the 900 to 949, that is lower limit, and 950 to 999, that is in upper limit. So this 950 lies in upper 100. Once again, 900 to 949 lies in 900 to 949 lower limit, and 950 to 999 is upper limit. So 952. So 950 is in upper 100. 950 is upper 100. So 950 becomes 1000. 950 is upper 100. That means that 950 nearest to that 1000. So 950 becomes 1000. Then is equal to 3,800 minus 1000 is equal to 3,800 minus 1000 is equal to 0, 0, 8 minus 0, 8, 3 minus 1, 2. 2,800. Then 3,789 minus 950 is equal to, approximate is equal to approximately 2,800. That is almost same of this answer. Then 3,789, this is the actual subtraction. This is the estimated subtraction. 3,789 minus 950 is equal to 3,789 minus 950 is equal to 9 minus 0, 9, 8 minus 5, 3, 7 minus 9 is not possible. So we take 1 from this thousands place. After taking 1, this thousands place becomes 2, hundreds place becomes 17, 17 minus 9 is 8. This 2 is here. 2839. See, this 2839 is close to this 2800, isn't it? So, 2839 is close to 2800. Then, so 2800 is a reasonable estimate. Okay. Today we studied estimation. Now the time to wind up. Namaste.